A big hello to all my dear ones. I know you all are enjoying at your homes, but studies are also very important. So, I'm here with another learning video for you. And today's video is of English. And today we are going to learn two new sounds. UE, U, and OY, oi. U and OY, oi. Alright. Today we are going to learn these sounds, and these are digraphs. UE and OY. When two letters those are having their own different sounds, they comes together, they create new sound in digraph. Okay. Letters those are having two different sounds, like in OY. O says O, Y says year. But when they comes together, जब वो एक साथ आते हैं, they create new sound. Oi, oi, OY, oi. So this is digraph. In digraph, two letters create one new sound. So today we are going to learn UE and OY. Alright, so come, let's learn with me. UE, U, and OY, oi. U, oi. UE, U, OY, oi. So, come. So kids, today we are going to learn these two digraphs, UE and OY. UE, U says E says ah. But when they comes together, they create one new sound, U. And O and Y. O says O, Y says ya. But when they comes together, they create one sound, that is oi. So today we are going to learn these two new sounds with the help of these words. See, in our first word we have BL. BL says blur. BL, blur. UE. UE sound. U. Blur. U. Blue. Blur. U. Blue. Alright. GL. Glur. UE. U. Glue. GL. Glur. UE, U, glue. CL, clur. CL, clur. UE, U, clue. TR, tr. Remember, these are blends. We learned all these blends earlier. BL, blur. GL, glur. CL, clur. TR, tr. ये सब हम लोग पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. सो आई होप कि आपको ये साउंड्स लर्न होंगे. TR, tr. UE, U, true. TR, tr. UE, U, true. F says f. UE says U. Fuel. L says l. Fuel. U. Fuel. Fuel. Alright. V says w. A says ah. L says l. UE. UE sounds U. L. U. Value. L. U. Value. Now we are moving to next word, that is VE and UE, venue. How do we pronounce it? With the help of phonic, V says W, E says eh, U, N says N, UE, UE. Again, UE sounds U, W, N, U, venue, W, you, venue. Now come to this word that is D-U-E, dew. How do we call it? D says duh, U-E. U-E sounds you, dew. Duh, U-E, you, dew. D says duh, U-E की sound क्या थी? You. Duh, you, dew. A-R. A-R sound, remember A-R blend? A-R, G, U, argue. G says G, U-E sounds you, argue. G, you, argue. Now we are coming to the next word, that is R-E-S-C-U-E. R-E says you, rescue. R says R, E says S says S, C says K. U-E sounds you, you, rescue. Rescue means bachana. Now come to this new word, I. I sounds E. I sounds E. E. Double S sounds long S. E. U-E sounds you. E. You. Issue. I-S-S-U-E. I says E. You. Issue. Now these are U-E sound word. U-E की आवाज थी, sound थी U. Now I'm coming to this O-Y sound word. O-Y, O says O, Y says Y. When they comes together, एक साथ आते हैं digraph में, they create one new sound, that is OI. Alright? So our first word is P-O-Y, OI. B says B, O-Y says OI. B-OI, boy. T says T, O-Y. O-Y says OI. T-OI, toy. J sounds J, O-Y. Sounds OI. J-OI, joy. Now the next word, that is E. E sounds J says J, O-Y again, OI. J, OI, enjoy. O. O says O, Y says Y, O, yeah. T-E-R, ter, oyster. O-Y sounds OI. See, इसमें हमारे बिगिनिंग में आ गया है डाइग्राफ. इस वर्ड में हमारे बिगिनिंग में आया है डाइग्राफ. तो कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. दैट इज ऑल्सो हैज अ सेम वॉइस. O-Y, OI. T. T says T, OI. T-E-R, OI. T-er, oyster. Oyster, oyster. Now come to this new word, that is S. S says S, O-Y, OI. S, OI, soy. New word, D-E-S-T-R-O-Y, destroy. But how do we call it? D says D, E says D, S, T, R, OI. O-Y, OI. D, D, E says S says S, T says T, R says R, O-Y says OI. D, S, T, R, OI. Destroy. Now come to this new word. See, इसमें हमारा डाइग्राफ मिडिल में है, वर्ड के बीच में है. L. L says L, O-I, OI. L, Oi. L. Loyal. L. Oi. L. Loyal. C. E. M. M. P. L. Oy. Employ. E says A. M says M. P says P. L says La. OY. Oy. So क्या हुआ? P. L. Oy. Employ. Alright? Last word. C says K. OY. Again. Oy. K. Oy. Koi. K. Oy. Koi. So these are the sound with the help of words we learned today. What you have to do? You have to practice these words, practice these sounds with the help of your book at your home. We will meet again with another learning video. And do not forget to practice this, okay? UE, U, OY, OY. Take care. Keep on practicing. We will meet again. Bye-bye.